Hey, hello everyone. My name is Rod Knapp, and I just want to take the next 3 to 5 minutes to share something with you. A tool that have helped me tremendously in building my home-based business. Just like any good carpenter or plumber or mechanic, they need tools in order to do their job. If you're building a home-based business, you need tools in order to do your job. Here's why. One of the number one reasons why a person get into a home-based business is for the tax benefit alone. If you can get a person to understand that, they will never really leave the business. Why? Because they're losing money by not having a home-based business. I want to give you an example here. Let's take a look at this right here. Let's say that you're talking to someone and say, hey, have you had a tax analysis done before? And what you would do, you will go here, right? You ask them, what do you pay for your rent or mortgage, including your taxes, your utilities, second mortgage insurance? Doesn't make a difference at all. Let's say that person is paying in the ballpark of $1,250 a month, okay? And they go here and say, well, how many miles are you traveling a year? Right? Now, this is something I want you to understand. Let's say that a person is traveling, going to work, but if they decide to leave about an hour or 30 minutes early and they meet with someone, or they went out to hand out business cards, a flyer, inviting someone to a webinar, a conference call, or just to share the business with someone, right? Going to work can be considered as a business trip also. So let's say that you're traveling an average of 12,000 miles a year, right? 12,000 miles a year. Okay, we have that there. And let's say that a person is traveling. They're getting ready to travel to, let's see here. They're getting ready to travel on an airplane. They travel 2 or 3 times a year on an airplane. And they're going to make that a business trip, because they're going to share it with someone, with family, friends. It doesn't make a difference at all. They're going to share with them about the business, invite them to a webinar, just give them a one-on-one presentation. It doesn't have to be anything big that you got to have 500 or 1,000 people at your meeting, but you just want to share the business with someone. So you turn that trip into a business trip. So let's say you're going to pay an average of $1,500, just on an average, $1,500 a year for that business, right? For that travel expense. Now, how many times do you go to the movie, right? Or how many times do you go out for dinner with someone or with your family? You can turn it into a business meal also, an entertainment deduction. So let's say you pay an average of $350 a month, okay? Now, how many of you have a cell phone bill, internet, right? Or you buy a business card? This can be considered as also as an expense. So let's say we put a $250 in there, right? Now let's calculate this. Now, for a person not to have a home-based business, they're losing $378 a month. Get this. That's an annual saving of $4,500 a year. Now, if you calculate that over 10 years, that's over $45,000, right? $45,000 altogether. 20 years, that can be a total close to $100,000 that you're throwing your money away by not having a home-based business. And that's the number one reason why a person must have a home-based business. I wanted to share that with you guys. Now I don't make any money off of this, but I just wanted to share this with you because you want to have this in your toolbox as you begin to build your home-based business. Hey guys, have a great day. Hey, by the way, let me share something with you also. Also, what the company does, right? You can have an app that's downloaded on your iPhone or your smartphone, and you can do this right from your smartphone, iPhone, or your iPad. And this is a report they will receive when you do that while you're talking with them, right? Here's a young lady. I did hers for her. I sent everything over to her, right? And sent me a copy of it. Her annual deduction is $18,630 based on a 28%, and it's telling her if she had a home-based business, right, she'll be saving $434 a month, and her annual saving is $52.16 a year. Now take a look at this right here. It sent her a nice customized report out. I love this right here. Open it up here. Just take a minute. Okay. What it does is send her this report, tax saving estimator, right? Nice colorful, full colors, tax system, and let her know the tax system here. If you don't have a business, if you're just an employee, guess what? All you're doing is working hard. You lose a huge chunk of your wages and taxes. You get to take home whatever is left after taxes are paid, and also are entitled to a limited deduction. But if you have a home-based business, look at all the benefits here. You earn income, you tax deduction for your cell phone bill, dinner, meals, gas, 401k plans, marketing, advertisement. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Now, this is one of the reports they sent her. They give her the breakdown, give the person a breakdown. Monthly saving $950, annual savings annual spending $11,000, business deduction $1,250, $15,000, right? Take a look at this here. It's amazing. Again, it breaks everything down to her, meaning your total monthly expenses, $3,075. Your total annual expenses, $36,000. But because you got a home-based business, now, I want you to understand something. If she never made a penny, penny in that business, guess what? She's saving money because you have a home-based business. Here's why. Out of the 5 years that you have a home-based business, according to the IRS, right, that you can lose 3 out of the 5 years. So they're giving you an opportunity to get your business up and running. They realize that most businesses don't make a profit right away. But in our business, we can make a profit. But the good news is that you still can make a profit right away by having a home-based business. Okay? And I love this right here. What it does then, it takes all of the headaches off your shoulders by telling information, tax information, because we're not tax experts whatsoever. So what happened, they will have a number to call right here, contact this company, and they will tell them how to do their W-4 form. Right? This is a great company to do your taxes for you because they specialize in just tax for the home-based builder. Okay? And also what it does also, it gives them also your name, number. You can give them your name, your number, your email address, and the website you wish for them to go to also. Hey, I just want to share that with you guys. It's a really powerful program. You may get a lot of benefits out of it, and I look forward to talking to each and every one of you soon. Take care and have a great day. Bye.